bank customer in the next 10 or 20 years will be a digital customer.
The digital revolution in finance sectors is rapidly growing. So how has banking services changed in that time?
Yeah, first of all, thank you for the invitation, and I'm happy to be here today because at Antaes Consulting we have started to organize ourselves in a task force to better support our clients in their digital transformation. The revolution, or an evolution, still don't know, is rapidly growing, and indeed, for a very long time, a revolution was not in a word that is in bankers' DNA, and especially maybe not bankers' DNA, because 10 years ago, nobody was asking you some immediate access of your information on your mobile or whatever thing that are brought today by fintech. But the world has really changed in 2008, and the cost of the transformation to the new regulatory, fiscal, and compliance paradigm is so big that some institutions have already disappeared. We have higher cost, we have lower margin, we are in a world with negative interest rate where money basically brings nothing. And furthermore, client expectations, client psychology has changed. The people are not only waiting for their banker just to keep their money in a safe. They want some global solution, and they want to be, they want a new offering.
And investments in fintech grew by 201% in 2014. How is fintech changing the banking service sector?
Yeah, fintech is an economic industry composed of companies who are using technology to make the financial system more efficient. It's the definition given by Wharton University. Today they operate in a wide range of sectors like digital currencies, peer-to-peer lending, crowdfunding, credit scoring, lending, education lending, and so on and so forth. It's hard to list everything. The rationale behind this is that the bank customer in the next 10 or 20 years will be a digital customer. Half of the assets will be managed by millennials, and we have to propose a new service. I just wanted to read a short story. This is how PricewaterhouseCoopers is describing the future bank customer. So this is the story of Anna, 76. Every morning she boards on a high-speed train and she blinks twice to activate the display in her glasses. She's authenticated by a retina scan. She can review the message from her financial advisors, who is telling her he sold some position following her decision made after consulting some recommendation from several independent investor analytics engine she could reach directly for her wealth management platform. Then she watched a message from the bank leading education expert suggesting it is time to set up a university saving account for her teenage son. The advisor has already estimated the cost based on her wishes, her age, and her retirement plan. Also, Anna is passionate about environmental protection. Then the bank recognized this and present her some offer where Anna's use of the bank's product result in direct donation to her favorite charity. And Anna basically is happy that she has found a bank who seem really to understand her.
And how equipped do banks feel that they're going to be able to change with the latest digital innovation?
I don't know if they feel equipped already, but everyone wants to equip. It's a matter of life and death. And just as an example, last year, the bank spent around $200 billion just in IT investment. So everyone is aware that digital innovation can be a threat or a new opportunity, but there is no way to escape from it. Once the fintech arrived, many have predicted that the traditional bank would fall and just would disappear because of those new disruptive entrants that were offering new products and new channels. Yet, we do think today that the bank has a brilliant future because we will always need some place that can be trusted, that can facilitate the transaction, and that can play as a store of value. We think that the bank who will organize themselves around their customer instead of around some product, that the bank who will view their customer as a segment of one, as a unique person who will tailor their offer based on who you are, where you want to go, what is your retirement plan, how many children you have, and so on and so forth. And also the bank who will be able to give their client some skills, some financial skills to base on I don't know, the history of finance or the market. Those banks will be seen by their client as playing in their own interest instead of just product pushers. And we think that the trust will come back to those banks. But of course, we will need technology, but we see more bank and fintech. We see more them as potential partners than as pure competitors. And we have good examples in this city with Swissquote or even Ducascopy of banks who are already using lots of technology to tailor their offer to their clients.
Will definitely be interesting to see what the future of banking will be. And thank you so much, Olivia, for coming in and speaking with us today.
Thank you very much.
That's all from myself and Olivia today. But if you like this interview, there is plenty more on our website, ducascopy.tv.